told ya to the Ganyan. Hey, so do you want? Something that's a young young warrior. So a lot of me, Colonial, come to me, Loyal. So a lot of me, Colonial, come to me, Loyal. So a lot of me, Colonial, come to me, Loyal. So a young, Catella, joy we to one. That's all, Lunyan. That's all, Lunyan. And no care bang a gun at you, but a corner jaga door. Kawanya you the Yarolan, Tangana Bird, Jalawi Nam Nam. Madam Labuna Aguicham.
With song, a man remembers his battles, his friends, and the beauty of his cattle. A morning begins with the clean ashes of a dung fire. Malwal is one of the oldest men in the village of Cieŋ Ga. Malwal says, "We have always had cows, ever since God gave them to us. They are kept in the family and passed down from father to son, father to son." Cows give us everything. They are our happiness. When we need help from God, we take an ox and sacrifice it to him. Then we ask him for a good crop of grain or to remove some terrible sickness. Ox to the god of grass or to the god of the sky when he comes to your house. And you can make a sacrifice just to thank God for giving you life. A Nuer does not kill his animal without reason. He must sacrifice it to God.
Kana gade na take a tabe. Ber makana gar. De chief. Don't go down that. Naga. Jen you nay bomb tete.
Amaram jagar de lanin ball.
Jagadela, de lanin wood.
When a boy is old enough, he must be marked. These marks on the forehead are called gar. If a man does not have them, he is considered a child. He cannot marry or go to battle. It is this custom which gives our people very great strength. From the time he can walk, a boy learns to care for the family cattle. It will be his life's work. He gathers the fresh cow dung and spreads it to dry in the sun for the evening fires. He looks after the calves, sheep, and goats, and takes them to pasture. When he receives his marks of gar, his father gives him an ox of his own, and he is called by a new name.